Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've created this pretty simple purple cut crease featuring the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. So if you'd like to learn how to do this look, just continue watching. Okay, so to begin, I'm just going to take the color Tan, which is a really nice subtle brown color, and I'm just going to work that into my crease using circular motions, because I find that circular motions blend it out perfectly. Next, I'm going to pack on the color brown, and then I'm going to use the same brush that I used in the beginning to blend it out seamlessly. Now we're at the fun part. I'm going to take my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 4 to cut my crease using my Morphe M170 brush. It's pretty flat and small, so it gives me a really precise line when I'm cutting my crease. Okay, so for me, the easiest way to do a cut crease is to follow the same shape as my eye and start in the inner corner, but as you meet like the middle, you just want to cut right above where your eyelid folds, and then it gives you a nice rounded shape. After you're done with that, you just want to take some more concealer or eyeshadow base and then fill in that rounded shape that you just created. Now that we finished the outline for the cut crease, I'm going to take the shade of white. It's a nice shimmery shade, and I'm going to place this on the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm going to stop right where I meet the middle. For the other half of my lid, I'm going to take the Morphe M124 brush and pack on the purple shimmery shade from the palette, and I'm just gonna slightly bring it on top of the white shade where it meets in the middle. The key to a really nice, clean looking cut crease is to have a dark shade in the very outer corner. So I'm just going to take the shade Deep Plum using my Morphe brush M514. And I like this brush because it's fluffy, but it's also like pointy. So it's small enough to get just in that corner and not mess up the tan and brown that I originally put on my eye. And it's okay if you make any mistakes, like if you put the shimmery shade a little bit too much above your cut crease, because you can easily fix it with the M514 brush. All you have to do is dip it back into the brown and then blend above the cut crease where you made the mistake. Now I'm taking my Ruby Kisses black eyeliner and I'm going to make a small wing and then apply my lashes on top of that. This step is optional, but I always like to do it to make the eye look a little bit more even. I just went in with the Deep Plum shade that I used for my outer corner of my lid, and I placed it on my lower lash line along with some mascara. For a little bit more pop, I'm taking the white shimmer shade and placing it in my inner tear duct. And that wraps up the final look. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. I hope you enjoyed this purple cut crease, and tune in for more. Bye guys.